Coltrain Onsite Fleet Care formally launched operations in September 2025, and they already have a lot of momentum as they focus on taking great care of their customers and their best-in-class technicians.
Coltrain On-Site Fleet Care formally launched operations in September of this year, so just a few months ago. We're blessed and lucky that we already have a lot of momentum across the country and are in a number of different states with great technicians on the road. What we kind of saw transpiring in the industry, both with our past experience and looking at the fleet maintenance and repair industry as a whole, was a lot of corporate consolidation. So whether that's big mega corporations coming in or private equities coming in, and that could provide a lot of advantages and could be a good thing. But, we saw it becoming more of a numbers game and line of sight being taken off quality, and you get into a habit of appeasing, a boardroom as opposed to appeasing your customer and taking best in class care of your technician. And we believe there's a better way in this industry to provide high quality service to customers and an exceptional place to work for technicians. So we are and will always be family owned and operated. And we believe in putting people over profits. And we are going to find the best in the industry. One of our managers today referred to it as we are the special forces of mobile maintenance and repair, because our vetting process with technicians, managers, customer service reps is extremely thorough, and it's a very quality over quantity approach. And we feel that's what differentiates us and why we really wanted to start Coltrain On-Site.